Today at Battery Guyz Nation, we are installing a battery in a 2013 Chevrolet Malibu. For this project, you will need a set of gloves to get started, most definitely. If you don't have any, no worries at all. Step 1 for this project, you're going to need a 10mm socket or wrench to take off the battery post for this project. Take off your negative post first, which is known as the ground. Just turn the socket clockwise until the bolt loosens up. Okay, now proceed to take off your positive terminal the same way. Just turn your ratchet set clockwise until you feel that bolt loosen up a little bit. This positive terminal is kind of hard to get off, so you need to take off the fuse cover that's covering that positive. And a good way to do that is get you a flathead screwdriver, so you can stick underneath the prongs, so you can kind of like just lift up the fuse box itself gently. It will be easily to remove. Just get your flathead, go underneath the clamp, just wiggle it, and just pull up on it until you feel it. Until you're free to clamp from the back of the battery. Just keep wiggling it a little bit. So make sure you don't put too much pressure on it, because you don't want to break the clamps of this fuse box protector cover. But it'll come off though. Just wiggle it, just as we're doing here in this video. Just keep wiggling it, and you'll see it eventually it'll pop off as it did right here eventually. Okay, what you will need now, you will need a long extension to take off the battery bracket, so you'll be able to free the battery from the battery box. It's a 13mm socket. Just turn it clockwise until you feel the bolt loosen up. Then you'll be able to stick your hand down there and grab that battery bolt to itself that's locking down the battery into the box. Okay, this right here is a little trick that we use to take out the battery out of a car when it's kind of in a snug place. We use a battery gripper. So that's what I was looking for, was a battery gripper. We just ordered something off of Amazon. If you want to get yourself a nice sturdy battery gripper, you can get that off of Amazon itself. And basically, I'm going to use this little trick to grab the side of this battery and snatch it right on out of there. Normally, so you will have to use, two hands. This is called a battery gripper. And this is what we use to actually recycle junk batteries. When we do a battery pickup, we use these grippers. It's easier to grab it with these grippers than using it by your hands. So what we're doing now, we're actually reinstalling this battery back into this battery box itself, but it is a very tight fit to get the larger battery into this battery box itself. It's a tight fit, so I'm just trying to make sure I got some room, and so I can wiggle this back in there. And I want to make sure that I want to snatch no power wires or fuse boxes when we're installing any battery back into a customer's vehicle, because if you're installing a battery, if you mess something up, we are responsible for it, because we're there putting the battery back into the customer's vehicle. So now I'm looking to see if that box is a little bit more adjustable, that I can move back and see if I can get any more, like an inch or so, I can slide this battery back in there. Okay, so now you see why I say you need a set of gloves for this project, because this battery is hard, tight squeeze for a 2013 Chevy Malibu. So what I'm doing now is I'm looking to actually put the smaller battery back in, and probably back into the vehicle, since had a hard time getting in there. But I might give it another try though before I actually go with the smaller battery though. So okay, so we're gonna try to do this one more time to put this larger battery back into this vehicle. So we finally got the wires loosely more, so we can have a little bit more, 1 or 2 inches, to try to drop this in smoothly into the battery box. So once you get that down, you want to go ahead and bolt down your battery bracket first. Get that out of the way. Just turn it clockwise until you feel that bolt tighten up on the bottom, and then that's when you know it's inserted, installed properly. And it's your first time stopping by us at Battery Guyz with a Z. If you like what you're seeing today, we're adding value to you as well. Please subscribe to the channel. We're uploading daily videos with all types of installs. We're showing you exactly how we recondition batteries and give a little more insight about the recycling and reconditioned battery business itself. So, like the video as well, share the video, and we'd like to thank all our subscribers for subscribing to the channel. Thank you for joining Battery Guyz Nations. And if you have any recommendations that you would like to see on the channel, please drop us a comment down below, and we can definitely see if we can add that to the show as well. So what I'm doing first, I'm basically, since I done got the battery bracket installed, and now I'm installing the positive terminal back onto the positive post itself. So you can use a wrench or a 10mm socket to tighten that bolt back up. Once you get that done, you want to put you on your ground last and just tighten up that bolt until you feel that bolt tighten up on the post itself. And this is how you install a 2013 Chevrolet Malibu battery. And likewise, if you are in any need for any type of auto batteries, marine batteries, golf cart batteries, please visit our website, batteryguyz.com. We'd like to thank you for stopping by the channel today. Drop us a comment. Thank you for rocking with the campaign.